Hello everybody, my name is Ganesh and I'm going to take you through a basic course in accounting that will help you to build your knowledge further. The moment the word accounting is mentioned, especially to those who do not have a commerce or a accounting background, one of the things that happens is all sort of terminologies they might have heard of starts whirring around them. For example, debit, credit, asset, liability, accruals, receivables, payables, and so on and so forth. Our endeavor, our objective during this course would be to sort of make you feel that accounting is not as difficult and provide that foundation which will make you help to move on with accounting in a much more advanced way too. So basically, we're going to make you feel that accounting actually rocks. To give you a little more insight, let's run through a video clip now.
What is accounting? Accounting is the language of business. Well, what is business? Well, you could say business is like somebody taking a hammer, building a house, and then taking his stuff that he made and selling it to somebody with money. Then they make their exchange and it's all good. Another way to look at business is that it is a magical box. You take raw materials, put it in the box, and then it comes out as goods that you can then sell and make money. That box is business. So let's say you have a business. You make something that costs you $100 to make and you sell it for $200. You have a profit of $100 and you're happy. I just told you a story about a business that made $100. So who should we tell our story to? You might want to tell your story to banks or investors. Banks or investors want to hear your story because they might want to lend you money or invest money in your business. Another person who wants to hear your story is Uncle Sam. He wants to tax you. We could break it down into 3 different people that want to hear your story. People on the inside, or internal users. People on the outside, external users, or the government. The language by which you tell these people stories is sometimes called managerial accounting for internal users, financial accounting for external users, and then tax accounting for government users. If you're a business and you're talking to an external user, you want to look good or show that you made a high profit. Everyone wants to brag about how good their business is doing. However, when you talk to the government, your objective is to make it look like you made nothing. Because if you're rich, they'll take all your money. Now, if you're talking to an internal user, your objective isn't really to look good or to look like you made nothing. It's really just to tell it as accurately as you can, because that's the information upon which managers and decision makers will make decisions. Now, your story might be the exact same story in every instance, but depending on who your audience is, you're going to use a different language, and each of these languages will actually tell a different story, even though it's based on the same actions of the business.